Hey, what's up? What's happening? This right here, it is a swarm, and it is not birds, it is not pollen, it must be bugs, insects, maybe even terrestrial. I know we are known for bees out here, but I don't think that these are bees. And this white fluffy stuff, I'm not sure what I am experiencing. This is incredible to my eye. I've seen swarms before, but I always know, or we always know what they are. But these white particles that appear to be going in circles and not being tugged around by the air. They seem to be alive, and you can see the ones that are going back and forth, streaming through the air, and they're up closer, like that right there. This is very strange. I'm sure it's nothing new for Utah. Look at that. And I guess I'm in a light beam from the sun, and that's why we're only seeing them in that particular area instead of just scattered about in the whole sky, which it must be, but we can only see it because of the sun's rays. I'm not sure. This will take more research. Okay, you see that? That's not a bird. Birds have much longer wingspan. Subscribe, thank you.